This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
All-purpose household cleaners. In this video, we're talking about Citra Solv's concentrated natural degreaser and cleaner. And this one is the Valencia orange scent, right? So it's a kind of limonene or kind of orange oil based cleaner. And it's made with essential oils, and it's a nice kind of all-natural way to clean and degrease your surfaces. And typically when we use this, we follow it up with a nice sanitizing solution so that we make sure that our surfaces are not only free of dirt and grease, but also nice and sanitary. So it's a nice option for us in the bakery, because obviously we deal with a lot of things, and right now the only thing I'm struggling with is the seal. All right, so we got that little safety seal off. It was nice and tight, which is not a bad thing. And we're just going to use this to make a little all-purpose cleaner. If you go to the company's website, or you can just check the directions on the bottle, there's a couple of different concentrations that you can use, and we're just going to use the one they recommend for all-purpose cleaner. So we have a 32-ounce spray bottle filled with clean water, and you can see I've labeled it for my Citra Solv, and I'm just going to weigh out 2 ounces of the Citra Solv, and I'm going to add it to my bottle. So got that all ready to go. Right, fantastic. And I can just drizzle that right into my bottle. And once I get it all in there, I'm just going to give it a nice shake, and this will give us, right, a great all-purpose cleaner. Fits right on. So we'll just let that distribute a little bit. Shake it up, and you might notice if you're using this and you're not using it all right away, it might settle and separate. You just have to give your bottle a little shake. But once you do, you get a nice all-purpose cleaner that you can use to clean a variety of household surfaces. And one of the things that we really love about this is that we have some staff members that have asthma. And unlike some of the other stronger, kind of more chemical-based cleaners, this doesn't irritate their breathing, so that was a great plus to us. So in addition to being made with essential oils and it naturally being a great degreaser, it's great for some of our staff members that have more sensitive issues when it comes to certain chemicals that are common in cleaning products. It's relatively cheap to make a large amount of cleaner, and it's also cruelty and vegan free. So if you're looking for things that kind of line up with that kind of ethos, and you're looking for things that are vegan, this is a great option for cleaning a wide variety of surfaces. We just always recommend, if you're doing stuff in food service, to follow it up with a nice sanitizing solution.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.